The rise of electric luxury cars is changing the game in 2025. What you need to know. As the world shifts towards electric vehicles, the luxury car market is not being left behind. In fact, it's leading the charge with innovative designs and features that combine luxury, performance, and sustainability. But what exactly does this mean for you as a consumer? What are some of the top electric luxury cars available today, and what should you look out for in the near future? One of the biggest changes in the electric luxury car market is the shift away from traditional gas guzzling SUVs and sedans towards more sustainable options. For example, Jaguar Land Rover is going all electric by 2025, and their new models, like the Jaguar I-Pace and the Land Rover Defender 8100, are turning heads with their sleek designs and powerful electric motors. These vehicles offer the same off-road capabilities as their gas-powered counterparts, but with zero tailpipe emissions. Another major player in the electric luxury car market is Mercedes-Benz. The company has been investing heavily in electric vehicle technology, and their new EQS sedan is one of the most anticipated EVs of 2025, with its aerodynamic design and luxurious interior. The EQS is set to be one of the most sophisticated electric sedans on the market. But it's not just established car companies that are making waves in the electric luxury car market. New startups are also making a splash with innovative designs and features. For example, Lucid Motors has developed a new electric luxury sedan that boasts an impressive range of over 500 miles on a single charge. This is a game changer in the industry, as most electric cars today can only travel around 300 miles on a single charge. Another startup making waves is Rivian, an American car manufacturer that has developed a new electric SUV called the R1S. The R1S is a 7-seater SUV that offers a unique blend of luxury, performance, and off-road capability. It has a powerful electric motor that delivers 700 horsepower and can accelerate the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. So, what should you look out for when buying an electric luxury car in 2025? One of the most important factors to consider is the charging infrastructure. As more electric vehicles hit the road, there will be a greater need for public charging stations. So make sure to check out the charging infrastructure in your area before purchasing an EV. Another thing to keep in mind is battery range anxiety. While electric cars have come a long way in terms of battery range, they still can't go as far on a single charge as a gas-powered car. If you plan on taking long road trips, then you may want to opt for a vehicle with a longer range. Overall, the rise of electric luxury cars is a major shift in the automotive industry, and it's changing the way we think about luxury vehicles. With more and more car manufacturers investing in electric vehicle technology, we can expect to see more innovative and sustainable options in the market. Just be sure to do your research and consider your needs before purchasing an EV. And who knows, you might end up with a vehicle that's not only luxurious, but also eco-friendly.